Industrial Analytics Solution is a powerful accelerator tailored for the industrial sector. Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your production processes and gain a competitive edge? Let's dive in and discover data-driven AI solution that boosts efficiency and drives growth for industrial companies. Our Industrial Analytics Accelerator is a powerful AI-based software designed specifically for the industrial field. Let's explore the incredible advantages of our Industrial Analytics Accelerator. Predictive maintenance. Stay ahead of resource failures and reduce downtime by proactively predicting maintenance needs. Here we present an example implementation, an AI-powered pump component failure prediction and real-time anomaly detection. Our solution utilizes neural networks and XGBoost models trained on 1 year of historical data. It predicts pump component failures 48 hours in advance and detects real-time anomalies in process parameters. Anomaly detection. Detect and respond to abnormal equipment behavior, ensuring issues are addressed before they become critical. Predictive quality and process optimization. Predict quality of your production and optimize manufacturing processes in real time. In this demonstration, we'll showcase just one more application of our accelerator. Our solution predicts mechanical properties based on process parameters, enabling engineers to foresee quality issues. What's more, you can optimize the water flow to achieve your desired yield strength. Input your target yield strength, and our AI calculates the required flow for optimal results. Let's talk about the value you can gain with our Industrial Analytics Accelerator. Look at these impressive results. Equipment reliability, minimize downtime, reduce unscheduled maintenance events, and increase uptime percentage. Production efficiency, boost output, decrease production losses, and shorten production cycle time. Product quality, improve product yield, reduce defects, and enhance customer satisfaction. Maintenance costs, reduce maintenance expenses, and optimize maintenance budget utilization. Asset utilization, increase efficiency in resource allocation and minimize waste. Safety, elevate safety performance, reduce incidents, and lower injury rates. OT data ingestion, it supports collection directly from shop floor equipment. Cloud agnostic, it can be deployed in any cloud environment. Scalability, effortlessly handles large datasets and adapts to your evolving needs. Real-time insights, provides immediate visualizations and insights for quick decision-making. We are utilizing most advanced AI models based on deep neural networks by leveraging supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Don't miss this opportunity to adopt AI into your manufacturing processes. Book a demo of our solution now and experience the future of industrial analytics. Schedule a meeting with our experts to experience the power of industrial analytics firsthand. Let us show you how our solution can revolutionize your manufacturing operations. Boost your industrial revolution with Industrial Analytics Accelerator from TT PSC. Your vision, our implementation, together, we can empower your business needs and unlock the true potential of your manufacturing processes.